swept yellow stickies of my mind, all the molten emotional front line. I couldn't care less, I'm transfixed in this absolute bliss.
Shalom, this is your Ark, Yah is magnified, coming back with another informative video. This video is titled Refund Check. So with that being said, let's get to it. Oh yeah, but before I tackle this subject, as always, let me state for the record, I'm not a lawyer, I do not practice law, and I do not pretend to. All my videos are for informational and educational purposes only. They're all facts and all truth, nothing more, nothing less. So with that being said, let's get to it. So now, as you all can see on the screen, this check is from my Ark from the first Stand in Your Square video. This is his refund check. Okay? So now, there's channels out here that make it a big deal because they have a refund check or two small refund checks. Excuse me, guys. But they make it a big deal as if nobody else on YouTube can get a refund check dealing with child support. Look, man, you can get a refund check for many different reasons, you know. For example, you can get a refund check for overpaying, right? You can get a refund check for paying and it wasn't never meant for you to pay from the beginning. You can get a refund check for so many reasons. Just because you have a refund check doesn't mean anything, to be honest with you, man. You know, it's good to have a refund check, don't get me wrong. To get some of your money back is better than getting none of your money back. You see what I mean? But the whole thing is this. There are multiple reasons that a person can get a refund check. Okay? So as you all can see on the screen, this is coming from the clerk of the circuit court for Prince George's County, right? The pay to the order of, that's my Ark name. And at the bottom where it's scratched out, that's his name too, right underneath $750. Right? Then it says memo per court order, right? With the child support case number on there for his court case that he was fighting. So now, as you guys can see, this was 2018, not 2017. You know, 2018. February the 5th, 2018 to be exact, where they wrote the check. Okay? With the signature on it. So now that I got that out the way, you know, for the channel who like to boast and brag about a refund check, only do people know, man, I have so much information that I can put up here. You know, I got guys went into court, recorded it. I can put it up here. Only reason why I don't, because I provided enough evidence of how you should appear in court. You know, like the John testimony, that been up. I've been had that for a long time. You know, my brother Stand in Your Square. You know, he asked me to put that up there. I wasn't gonna put that up there first, you know, but he said I should put it up there for people can see. And I was like, you know what, you're right. You know, so shout out to my brother, man, on the Stand Your Square video. You know, he motivated so many other people to get in there and stand up on it for themselves as well. You know, he played a big part into a lot of guys' success. You know, more than he even know it. You know what I mean? He played a lot of parts in guys' success. Like I said, people watch that video over and over and over and over and over again. You know, because they never seen nothing like that. So shouts out to you, Ark. You know you are, man. But not only that, though, like I stated before, there's multiple reasons for a person to get a refund check. Okay? Refund checks are not the big deal. The big deal is filing that lawsuit and cracking them wide open for a few $100,000, if not millions. That's the goal. That's the whole purpose of doing this. That's the goal. Okay? So now, you also have other channels telling you all to keep returning the mail. I say they'll allow you to return the mail at least 4 times. You know, I say after really 3 times. After the 3rd time, they put a default against you. And then next thing you know, they're gonna get your check, and 50 to 60% of it's gone. And you like, what the hell? You know, so you go back to that same person that's telling you to send the mail back. He gonna tell you to file a motion to vacate. Once you file that motion to vacate, it's up to the judge to grant that motion to vacate. They can deny that motion to vacate. And guess what? You're stuck with a default order. But if the judge do grant your motion to vacate, then guess what? you got to appear before that judge, the same judge that offered that entered the default against you from the beginning. So guess what? You should have just went in there from the beginning instead of running. Face these people head on like men, man. Stop running from these people. The more you run, they not gonna stop. These people don't stop, man. We all know they don't play fair. They make their own rules up as they go. But us as men, we have to stand up for what we know and be the man the Most High created us to be. You gotta walk in His image, after His likeness. You have dominion over all. But until you guys stand up like that and have it in your heart that man, the Most High is with you while you're going through this thing and you got dominion over all, then you'll reap that remedy that you always been trying to get. That's me, man. I stood up. I'm like, man, you know what? The Most High ain't create me to be no slave. They got me twisted. And I stood up and I won. And so many other brothers are standing up and they winning as well. So not only that though, again, I can't stress this enough, man. Face these people head on. What the Bible say, gird your loins with truth, man. Stand up to these people, man. Stop running. But with that being said though, again, if you all need my help, hit me up at yahismagnified@gmail.com. We'll discuss what's going on, analyze your situation, and then we'll get the ball rolling from there. Alright? But again, man, refund checks are okay. Because like I said, it's better to get some of your money back than none of your money back. But the whole goal is cracking the bank. Okay? So this is just to show more proof that, hey, refund checks, anybody can get them. Alright? And this is 2018, not 2017. This is this year. So with that being said though, you all be blessed. Like and subscribe. Shalom, peoples.